Hey everyone, okay, so different video today. So I've got two questions to ask you and hopefully you'll respond honestly. The first one, so question one, is when was the last time you felt attractive? So you felt attractive about yourself. When was the last time? And number two, when was the last time someone else made you feel that you were attractive? So it could be anybody, a partner, a stranger, maybe they said something, maybe they looked at you a certain way. So those are the two questions. I don't think it's a stretch to say that as we get older, we become more invisible. Women more so than men. But attractiveness it diminishes as we get older. And we can feel that ourselves and we feel it with the world around us. Think about it a different way. Remember when you were in your 20s or 30s and the amount of gaze that you would receive compared to say now in your 40s or 50s or 80s, however it is. There is this assumption though, I think, that as we grow older, we should accept that. And I don't think that's true. Why should we feel less attractive because we're older? I don't understand it. It is frustrating to me. Think about it truly. When was the last time someone made you feel so attractive? Someone made you feel that you were just the most beautiful person in the world. Probably when you were younger. And it is a strange phenomenon and it hurts me. It hurts me deeply that we accept this in our society, that it is a norm that beauty and attractiveness is only aimed at those that are younger and not those who are getting older. Getting older is such a blessing. But why does everything have to be so focused on youth? Why is youth the epitome of everything? Don't get me wrong, there is beauty in all ages and in all aspects of life, but it's focused solely on a younger generation, that as we start to approach our 30s and 40s and onwards, we become more and more invisible and disappear into the background. The looks that we used to get when we were walking on the street, they start to vanish. And personal example here, I cannot remember the last time I felt someone else's gaze on me for a moment or two longer than normal. Can't remember the last time. I can remember it in my 30s, particularly my early 30s, my 20s. Can't remember the last time. And you still need to feel that. You still want to feel that as a human. It's a very peculiar feeling and a very peculiar thing that happens as we get older. And it absolutely is more apparent with women. And also there's this stupid thing where people say, well, you need to base your beliefs and your sense of self-worth on other things other than your attractiveness. That's absolutely true, of course. But it's always nice to feel attractive. It's always nice to be told that. So yes, you should have your belief system that's strong in who you are as a person and your family and all those things that matter to you. But feeling attractive still matters too. And we're told that it shouldn't matter as we get older because we've now got a family and we've now got a home, we've got a career. But that still matters too. Feeling attractive, being told we're attractive, feeling wanted, not just financially or emotionally, but wanted. It's important. Let me know in the comment section. Remember, question one, when was the last time you felt attractive about yourself? And number two, when was the last time somebody told you that you were attractive and you felt it and you meant it and they meant it and you felt it? Let me know. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.